Now start to install the machine. This is the filling funnel. Screw up the water inlet and the water overflow. Now add the pure water into the filling funnel until the water overflows from water overflow hole. That means the machine is full of water. Because our machine have been add water, so here we first to do a simple presentation. After adding water, screw on water overflow, remove the funnel, and then screw on water inlet. Now install the handpiece. Installing the handpiece socket. Please pay attention to the socket need to match with machine socket. Hold the blue button with both hands. Push the handpiece socket. Then you will hear the sound of ka. The blue button will up spring. Then the handpiece install finished. During install the handpiece, we need to note that there are two different handpieces. They are 530mm and 640mm. There are corresponding label on the machine socket, 614mm and 530mm. Handpieces are with the same label. SH is 530mm and the HR is 640mm. After the installation, collect power supply, then you can open the machine. Turn the key clockwise to open instrument. This is the instrument welcome interface. The setup button located in the lower left corner of the working interface and the enter button in the right. Click setup button in the setting interface. Instruments built in 3 languages: English, Korean, and Chinese. Click the switch button to select the language. Click the lower left back icon to return to the welcome interface and click enter button into the main function interface. There are 6 functional options on the main function interface. Besides OPT SHR, the other 5 functions have the same working interface. Select hair remover and click go into the hair remover working interface. The working interface has 3 main modules. The top left corner for the parameter adjusting module. The top right corner for energy adjusting module. The following is the state module. Let's check the parameter module first. 3.6 in screen is the first pass-wise. 3.1 in screen is the sub-pass-wise. 2.3 in screen is the first pass interval. 2.1 in screen is the sub-pass interval. 350 milliseconds is the RF working time. 3P refers to the pass number. 1 second refers to the interval between one and another light. 6 and 40 refers to the therapy handle's wavelengths used for this item. Our company have already set up the parameter module according to the different operating items. Don't need to do much adjustment. Now introduce instrument energy adjustment. First is the IPL energy from 1 to 50. Click the up and down gauge adjust. In practice, we recommend starting from 4 to 6 to operate. This is RF from 1 to 50. Click the up and down gauge adjust. Generally set to 18. Do not need to adjust. Brighten the snowflake icon to open the instrument cooling. Generally light all 5 snowflake icons in summer and only need 2 to 3 ones in winter. Let's check the state module now. This is shade lamp working status. Currently status is extinguished. This is the capacitance working status. Now it has an exclamation mark. That means the capacitor do not start work. This is the state of the water circle. Water circulation normal now. If the water shortage or abnormal water circulation of the instrument, this place could be a warning sign warning. Click Ready. We will find the shade lamp light. At the same time, the status module change. Press the button on the hand to shut. We will find the second sign in state module flashing. The introduction of the hair remover working interface is over. We will have more detailed description in following actual operation process. Go back to the main function interface. As we mentioned above, hair remover, skin rejuvenation, pigment remover, mascara remover, and acne remover have the same working interface. Click into them one by one to check. Now, let's introduce the different working interface. OPT SHR 6.0 inch screen is the pathwise. Generally keep this value and do not need to adjust. One means frequency, higher frequency, faster speed of light. This is the energy value. Click up and down to adjust. This is the cooling. Light all 5 ones in summer and only 2 to 3 ones in winter. This state module is same with the above one we just introduced. Before treatment, we need to prepare some items. Gel, hydrating mask, ball and bar for gel, customer safety goggles. Let's start operation. First, clean the customer's face. For our model has already cleaned, do not operate again here. Second, wear the safety goggles. Third, cover gel on the treatment area. Start from the gel to the interface evenly. Sky rejuvenation, pigment remover, vascular remover, and acne treatment have same operation procedure. We use sky rejuvenation as example. Now operate skin rejuvenation item. Before operate, we need to adjust the IPL energy. At this time, the IPL energy is 8. Adjust the energy according to customer's actual situation. During operation, we start from neural energy, generally 4 to 6, and 8 according to customer's feeling. 8-2 per time. If the energy is quite high now, only 8-1 per time or lower the energy. Now we start to operate from this energy, and if customer have no feeling, then 8 energy slowly. Cooling is in open status now. Before operate or stop for a long time, suggest to close the cooling. Open all 5 slow flake in summer and only 2 to 3 ones in winter. Before operate, shot to air for 2 to 3 times to release the high energy in the treatment head. When shot to air, make sure the treatment head to the inlet and press the button 2 to 3 times. After shot shoot the air, we do a photosensitive test for the customer. We have already covered gel on the customer's face. Now use the treatment head shot 1 time around the customer's ear. Wait for 5 to 8 minutes to check whether there are any redness or pain on the treatment area. For our model has already passed the photosensitive test, now we do not wait anymore. We start to operate from gel to check and then forehead. During operation, make sure the treatment head completely close to the skin and then shot 1 time. Then release, move the treatment head to another treatment area to operate again. The second treatment area covers 1/3 of the first treatment area. Keep communication with customer in time during operation. If customer has no feeling, then need to 8 energy. 8-2 energy per time until the customer have little burning sensation and slight tightening. This is the most suitable operation energy. When you change treatment parts, if customer feel painful, then lower 2 energy per time. When you treatment the forehead, adjust the energy to a neural status first, then 8 according to customer's feeling. Tolerance for everyone's skin is different if the energy is quite high, but customer still has no feeling. Do not add the energy again at this time to avoid burn the customer. During operation, we need to keep away from the hair and eye bones. Now we finish one-time operation. The whole process is need to do 3 to 5 times according to the customer's tolerance. After operated 3 to 5 times on the whole face, click Standby on the instrument, clean the face and use hydrating mask. Then the total operation procedure is complete. Now close the cooling and click Standby button. Clean the customer's face and use hydrating mask. Let's introduce the item we need to prepare before hair removal treatment. Gel, wipes, ball and bar for gel, razor, let's operate the underarm hair remover. At first, clean the treatment area. Then cut the hair to 1 to 2 mm if the hair is long. Too long or too short hair will affect the absorption of light, make the light could not effect to the hair follicles. We have already cut the hair to 1 to 2 mm. Clean the hair. Cover gel on the treatment area after cleaning the hair. Let's prepare to start operate after cover gel. Adjust the working interface before operate. Choose hair remover and click Go into the working interface. Hair remover treatment can start from energy 4 to 8 and then 8 gradually. Open the cooling. Light all 5 slow flake icon in summer and only 2 to 3 ones in winter. After adjust the working interface, click Ready. The treatment hand will light. Then we can start operate. Before operate, short to air for 2 to 3 times to release the high energy in the treatment head. The model has already passed the photosensitive test on the skin rejuvenation treatment. Now we do not operate again. The hair removal operation method is same with the rejuvenation treatment. The second short area needs to cover 1/3 of the first short area. During operation, make sure the treatment head completely close to the skin and then short one time. Do not pick up immediately. Keep it on the skin for 1 to 3 seconds to help the skin release heat. Keep communication with customers in time during operation. If customers had no feeling, then 8 to 8 minutes per time. Until the customer has little burning sensation and slight tingling, this is the most suitable operation enlarge. Operate 5 times during the whole process. Now we have operated 3 to 5 times. The hair removal treatment is finished. After operation, close the cooling and click standby button to adjust the machine to standby situation. Clean the treatment area after the machine is standby situation. After cleaning, ice the customer's treatment area for 10 to 15 minutes. The hair removal treatment is over.